What's up, YouTube and Biggs Nation? I'm Susan, and I'm bringing you another Universal Yums video.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ouch, son of a bitch. That's my line.
Too bad.
Alright. Well, anyways, we're here to bring you another one. Another one! And this month's box is...
Italy!
Alright. So just like last time, we got the 12 items
Yes.
box, right? See if I can get this to stick right here. That's pretty good. Oh, shout out to Grill. Shout out to the Grill. She's looking. Alright. Ready?
Okay.
So we shall remove this. We're gonna do trivia like we did last time.
Yeah, the trivia's in here.
Alright, roger that. You wanna do, yeah, let's go ahead and ask them.
Oh, you want to go ahead and ask it?
Yeah.
Do you want to put the camera off?
Huh? Oh, sure.
So this month's
hold it.
trivia is: which of the following is considered unlucky in Italy? Matching socks, hearing a dog sneeze, red hair, or the number 17? Stay tuned for the answer at the end of the video.
At the end of the show. Again, if you get it right, you get a cookie. Go to the store and buy Oreo. Okay, let's dig in. What you got there? A little Diet Coke action?
Yes.
It's not sponsored. All right, let's dig in. What do we got today?
Okay, you can read off the chips.
All right, we've got some Alfredo's potato chips truffle, gluten-free buggers. We have Anello Gusto Pizza, Amica snack. Looks like a pizza funyun. Shout out to the King of Hearts. Shout out to the Queen of Hearts. Come on, bring it in. There it is. Anyway. Rustashell al Rosmarino. Maybe some type of like pita chip thing?
It's rosemary.
What?
It's rosemary.
Yeah, I know it's rosemary, but like...
The rosemary cracker.
Rosemary cracker, okay. Tortellini, limone e pepe. Looks like some type of lemon cereal treat or something.
It's a lemon pepper flavored wheat snack.
Okay. Amaranti crisp almond cookies. No colorings or preservatives. Product of Italy.
A crispy almond cookie.
I actually like that you're doing that. Gives people a little more insight. Because I don't know what the hell it is and I can't read Italian. Froletti al limone. Lemon cookies. Nice. Oh, now these are where it's at. These look like chocolate bars. Currenero, Cioccolato Latte, and Nicole. Milk chocolate with hazelnuts.
Yes.
It says it on that. Don't worry, guys. I mean, I cheated. And then another one, Curareno Mediterranei, saffron white chocolate bar with saffron.
Yep.
All right. I'm excited to try it. Oh, this looks like Buono Dolce, orange carrot cake.
Yeah.
This looks pretty good. Oh, I didn't show this last thing. My bad, guys. Saffron. Yeah. There's two of these, so Susan and I will each get one, or we could share one. And then this this looks amazing. Moreta tiramisu. So it looks like it's chocolate.
It's chocolate covered cake with coffee and custard.
Oh my god. There's two of these too. And then last but not least, in this month's box,
Sweet treat.
there is a whole bunch of treats. So we have Sorini,
Hazelnut chocolate.
hazelnut chocolate, cappuccino Sorini,
It's cappuccino cream and cereal truffles.
Aran Seltz aroma.
Lemon and orange fizzy fruit candies. They're all the same.
And that's it. Yep. Cool. All right, honey.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you for reading those off.
You want to go in order?
So let's, I guess, lift this bad boy back up. See our beautiful faces. Especially yours.
No.
Bonus points, boys. So what's up first, honey?
Potato chips with black truffles.
We're trying that first.
I'm going in a little order.
These are the things I don't know about. A buddy of mine at work, shout out Jeff, he definitely wants to try these. He thinks they're going to be lit. Oh, baby!
Smell?
I mean, they're not terrible. All right, you first, honey? Ladies first.
Ready?
Not terrible, but something I don't think I eat very often. The chip is very crispy. For me, it's like an initial taste. And then once you start chewing it, it's gone. Like the chip flavor's still there. It's got like a... You like it, or?
I don't know. I was undecided.
Another one?
No. No, thank you.
Nah. Not bad, though.
So do you want to do all the chip stuff first, or like to go in order of this?
Whatever you want to do.
I kind of want to say that closer to last.
All right.
So let's try all the chip stuff first.
Roger that. I mean, this bag, I think it only has like 3
That's
per
right.
box. Okay, all right,
Let's
we'll
try
go.
the pizza ones next.
Pizza. Anello Amica.
Pizza flavored corn snacks.
I have a bad habit of smelling this stuff, and then I end up not liking it if I don't like the smell of it. They smell like pizza combos.
They smell like
I'm going
pizza
in.
goldfish. It tastes like pizza goldfish.
They're pretty good, and they're really light. Light, fluffy. Oh shit! I saw it. Huh? Mine now.
Probably my favorite so far.
Alright, more.
No, okay.
I feel like I taste like crust.
I just
Oh, wait,
did
good. Very good.
Okay.
Next snack.
Let's try the rosemary crackers.
I'm not really looking forward to these.
So here's a fun fact in this. The herb is known to treat muscle pain, improve memory, boost the immune system, help with circulation, and even slows the aging process of the brain.
I
Rosemary.
got a big head and a big brain, so.
I'm a little sick, so let's see if this helps. Did you smell it?
Smelled it. I don't really smell anything.
Oh, it smells like rosemary.
Not bad. What do you think?
If I dipped it in marinara sauce.
Another?
Oh my god.
Kind of bland. Alright. Not bad.
Oh, okay.
Just took a sip. You know what that means.
Next, let's try the lemon pepper flavored wheat snacks.
These?
Yes.
Charolini? Sorry, honey. Blocking that nice face of yours. Alright. Let's go in. Oh, what the hell?
Feel a little pretzels.
Oh, man, they smell like lemon. Yeah. I might like these. It's weird. It's like a pretzel with lemon.
They're not bad. Oh, excuse me.
Like another?
Oh, thank you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Next snack, please. Oh, shit.
Let's try about you pick one? I picked all the other ones.
Let's go with the Froletti. You gotta remember, I don't have to look at the book. I got all the snacks in front of me.
Lemon cookies.
Lemon cookies. You know what that last one tasted like, actually?
What?
A double Dutch rudder.
Don't know what that is.
Look it up.
I'm scared.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh. Really good.
That was really good. Very light.
Another one? I can see these like with a cup of tea. Got a nice cup of tea.
I'll take coffee. I don't like tea, but
White girl. That's racist. Alright. Very good. I really like that one. What's next?
Pick it.
We're gonna go all the bag treats first. Crisp almond cookies. Are you ready?
That should be good.
Well, they want me to cut right across. With scissors. I ain't got scissors. Americans use their hands.
I'm gonna laugh. You can't open that bag.
I opened it.
Oh.
I just don't want to bust it open. Oh shit. You honey?
Thank you.
Alright, ready? Oh. Oh! It's hard!
Good thing I didn't just chomp down on that.
Got good flavor to it.
I liked them.
Was not expecting that hard.
They're not that hard.
Harder than. When you looked at it, what did you thought was that hard?
No, but they're really good. They're pretty good.
That's what she said. Want another one?
Never know. I'll eat all these snacks later.
Alright. Yeah, I know, right? Alright, so all we got left is the saffron white chocolate bar, milk chocolate hazelnut bar,
Yep.
the two orange carrot cakes, and, pardon me, the chocolate cake.
I think we should try the orange carrot cake first and then have all the chocolate.
Yeah. My girl.
I love chocolate.
Oh. Don't open it. I'm just going to open one.
Okay.
Oh, that looks. Ooh. Let's slide it. Ooh.
You... That was very soft.
My turn.
I was not expecting that to be that soft. That was really good. That was really good. This one's not going to work for him to share.
Oh.
That's really good.
Oh, the rest? Take the rest.
Thank you.
That's really good. I don't like carrot cake.
It tasted like more like an orange cake than does carrot.
Right. It's very fluffy though.
It is extremely fluffy for something being in a package.
And shipped from another country.
Yeah.
Hooray, it's good. Alright. Next snack. 3 remain. Oh, am I choosing?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to really try this. Leaving the two, saving the best for last.
Watch them be the worst.
Huh. Alright.
It's a giant candy bar.
It's a giant white chocolate candy bar that looks like there's like specks of like paprika or something in it. And this is nice because it's
Saffron, that's what's
it's
in
split into bars. Thank you, honey. Oh. I feel like I'm eating soap. Not terrible. Different.
Do I like that better than the carrot cake? Or the carrot cake? No.
Is that another piece?
No.
It's not terrible.
He could take that to work to share.
Slip it away. In a nice packaging. And it's gone. Alright, honey. Which one?
I want to save the cookie. I want to save this for last.
Smells like
This better not disappoint me because it has
Yeah, right.
chocolate and coffee in it. I really want it.
This is like a crunch bar.
Crunch, crunch. It's hazelnuts inside.
Yeah. Actually, it's like... So it's like when I was saying, it looks like a crunch bar. Hey, thank you. You see like the little ridges. All right, ready? Ooh. Nice and soft.
That's really good.
Lucky for you. We're another piece. Ah. I like that a lot. Go ahead and get that last one. I'm doing the drum roll.
I'm gonna put this one.
Do it, do it, do it, do it. Universal Yums. Good ass snacks from around the world. Oh God, look at that.
It smells like it smells like a
Ho ho.
yeah.
Ooh, devil dog or something.
You may take the first bite.
Oh God. Oh.
It must be good.
Now it's good. I don't like that as much as something else.
I gotta say, I like the carrot cake better.
Yeah,
That is really good though.
it's really good. I don't like coffee, and I could taste like that coffee taste.
You definitely taste the chocolate and coffee. Good.
Not bad.
It's light and fluffy, chocolatey, but that
This has got to be the winner for me today.
and this.
Yeah, if you want like a chip.
This
then
is
you
my
go-
favorite chip for today.
Favorite chip of the day. Favorite dessert of the day.
These are our favorites, it seems like, because today I think
Ding
we're both in
dong.
agreement this week.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding 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 dong. Ding dong dong ding. Ding dong.
You put a ring on it.
I love it. Cool. Alright, trivia. What was the answer?
Oh, I forgot.
Well, I'm glad I didn't.
So we did. Should I read the question again?
Yeah, go ahead and read the question again.
So the question was, which of the following is considered unlucky in Italy? Matching socks, hearing a dog sneeze, red hair, the number 17. The answer is the number 17. So do you know what you win? A high five!
Oh, good one.
High five!
Alright, cool. Well, I think that just about wraps it up, right?
It does.
Cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pardon me. I'm so used to doing them by myself, all these videos.
Second video I've ever been in.
Second video. And more to come, right?
Yeah.
Say this was a good month again. There should be a link in the description to a referral program for Universal Yums. I'm going to sign up for their affiliate program tonight while I'm uploading this video. Hopefully it all goes well and they approve it right then and there and stuff like that. If not, I'm going to try to upload, or I'm going to try to put the link in both this video and our previous video before, so please be sure to check that out if you haven't already. Last month was Germany. Good candies and good sweets and chips and all that good jazz. I'd say overall I probably enjoyed this box more than last month's.
So before we go,
Oh, she got something else.
there's a clue for next month's box. So I'm going to read the clue, and if you guess it, you get another high five.
Ooh.
Next month, we'll visit a place that is old and crafty, creative, and very cold. If you're hungry, just reach for their baskets of bread, or cinnamon chocolates, or unique pepper spreads. What do you think it is?
I have literally no idea. Do you have an idea?
No.
Okay.
We'll find out next month.
Find out next episode on Dragon Ball Z. Right. Wrong show. All right, cool. Well, is that about it?
Yes, it is.
All right, cool. Well, we will see you guys in the next video. Please be sure to check out all the other videos on the channel. I know this is mainly a gaming channel, but I like doing these with the wifey. These are pretty fun. Gives us a little bit of different exposure. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let us know what you thought your favorite snack would have been. I wish I could kind of send these out to you guys, but I don't think that's really capable. We're capable of doing that.
I'm keeping these. No, I'm keeping these.
But yeah, so guys, you guys have a great day, great evening, wherever you are, whatever you may be. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next video. Biggs out. Oh, you said it too. Ooh, look at her. See you guys.